Hey guys, I'm T and this is a channel update. We're doing this Q&A style to keep things tight and inform you on what's changing because doing pretty much anything out of crochet gets me pretty scatterbrained. Starting this week, I'm switching from 2 uploads a week to 1 every Sunday. As some of you have noticed, the tutorials have improved a lot lately with clearer steps, better filming and edits, which I'm so proud of. But the better the tutorials get, the more time they take away behind the scenes. I'm setting up different angles, making sure the steps are extra clear, making sure there's not a better way to say or do something. And it all adds up really fast. So I had a dilemma. If I wanted the quality to keep going up and deliver better tutorials, the schedule would have to match that. Honestly, it kind of sucks to say out loud. It hurts my pride a little because I really wanted to keep up. But I told myself that I'm not quitting, I'm adjusting so I can stay consistent long term and not burn out. So it stings, but I am okay, and this is the smartest move for the tutorials. Continued improvements. With this change, I can say that Sunday tutorials are locked in. We have the same tutorials, same patterns, just better every week. The goal is for every Sunday upload to make you gasp and rush to grab your hooks. This is actually the part that I'm most excited about. Sundays only frees up time for me to keep pushing the tutorial quality higher and higher, and it also gives me room to sprinkle in other types of content if you're interested. From gaming, fitness and finance, running a business behind the scenes, or just cute, cozy life updates. Honestly, the sky's the limit, so if you're interested in anything, let me know down below. And even if you want this channel to see 100% crochet, I mean, this is all new to me, so I'd love to hear whatever your thoughts are. Yes, memberships are live on the channel. Only mentioning it because a lot of you have been asking for more ways to support. So if you want to support the channel and get cute little extras like badges and emojis and see some behind the scenes whips and patterns and shop coupons, click join down below. But no pressure. Watching and commenting already helps so much. But speaking of the pattern shop, we also figured out how to make automatic bundles a thing on Etsy. So when you grab 2 or more patterns, you get a nice little discount up to 30% off automatically. No code needed. New tutorials every Sunday from now on. Bigger and better projects, more time for comments, community posts, and being present with the day-to-day aspect of things. And most importantly, remember every ending is the start to a new beginning. So get ready, and thanks for watching.